I'll show you one mistake to avoid by just using a rag, so join me for a full step-by-step battery replacement, including the tools you need and info on the battery size. If you don't want to risk losing a few memory settings, you can connect a battery pack to the jumper points in the engine bay. The first step is to remove the rear cup holder using a Torx bit. And then these two plastic screws. This metal cover can then be removed. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. Then disconnect the vent tube and then the bracket by loosening these two nuts. Now there's a good chance while working on the positive your tool will touch the metal bodywork, so just cover it with a rag, especially if you have a 12-volt source connected to the jumper points. And then you might as well wrap the terminal with it while removing the battery. You'll see the auxiliary battery underneath the main battery. This battery is over 20 kilograms, so tuck your cables away beforehand. I'll share some info on this battery a bit later. For now, we'll start fitment in the reverse order with the positive cable first. Couple of reasons why the battery is located here. First one being weight distribution. It helps to keep the center of gravity low. It's isolated from harsh off-road conditions and the temperature is also much more stable. And that's why many manufacturers follow this design principle. Now we can install the bracket and then the negative terminal. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. This vehicle is fitted with a stop-start system, and what's important here is to always replace an AGM with an AGM. It should be in the 90 amp hour range, and these dimensions correspond to the maximum size that will fit here. And don't forget the vent tube. The last step is to replace all the covers, disconnect the battery pack and start the vehicle to check for any issues, but no warning lights should be present after the battery change. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.